Hello students, I am your English teacher. Now I am going to tell you how to make your fair notebook. Look, these are two notebooks and these are well covered. You can see here. But there are different covers. I mean to say you can cover with any paper, any newspaper, any chart paper. It's up to you what you have at your home. Okay, and you can look. Okay, now I'm going to tell you about these two English notebooks. The first one is English literature and the second one is English grammar. First I am going to tell you about English grammar notebook. Look students, there is, you can see here the name of the students, class, subject, roll number and section. Means it's look very beautiful. You will write here name, standard, section, roll number and subject. You have to write here, and in the next page, in the new first page, you want to write here, then you can like this. It's look beautiful. It's up to you. If you want to write, then you can. Okay, next, on the next page you can see here, this is the plans. I will show you in the PDF the plans. Okay, in the next page you will write here plans, and the third page, this notebook you will divide into three parts. How? Equally divide, you will divide reading section, writing section, and the third one is grammar section. Okay, and the reading section you will write like this. It's up to you. If you want to make any drawing, any different type of sketch, then you can use your material, but you have to write here reading section. Okay, you can see here reading section. Okay, next, now look here, this is the passage, this is the comprehension passage, and if you are in, if you will use the pen, blue pen and black pen you will use, and first I will prefer to you the gel pen you will use. The heading and the questions you will write, always you will write with black pen, and rest of the parts and answers you will write with blue pen. Okay, you can see here, and you in the passage you will not drop the lines because it's very long, and in the question answers you will drop the lines. Clear? Now I'm going to talk about the writing section. You can see here it looks very beautiful, you can see, and it's very simple. All the students can make like this. Okay, next, look here, this is the application for sick leave. You will use only black pen in the heading, and rest of the parts you will use blue pen. Okay, and you will drop one lines in the application. Look, because it's very looking beautiful. And again, this is the second application. Like this you will write like this. Okay, Now I am going to tell you about the third part, grammar section. Look, it's also very beautiful. It's your choice. You can omit it, you skip it. It's your choice. You want to you make this type of diagram or not, but you have to write like this. Okay, it's heading grammar section, and in the grammar section I wrote here the verbs. Okay, uh, these part on the present form you will write with black pen, and the past form and the past participle form you will write blue pen. Okay, and you will drop the one line also. It's looks very beautiful. Okay, done. Now I am going to tell you about the literature, English literature notebook. You again write your name, standard, section, roll number and subject. Okay, and in the first page you will write the plus. If you are using pencil, then you can write. If you will use pen or black pen or blue pen, then you will write here with black pen, and rest of the parts you will write with blue pen. And now this is the chapter first. Now students, I want to tell you about uh, if you want to make a drawing, you are good in drawing, then you can draw any picture according to the chapter. But if you are not good in drawing, then you can write only the name of the chapter to make the promo page like this. Okay, same like this. You will write here the name of the chapter, and again in the next page you will write the chapter 1, the name of the chapter and dictation, and you will draw the one line. Okay, with counting you will write here. In the next page, look here, this is the word meanings, and there is the question answers. There are two parts of question answers. Exercise A, you will make the heading first question answers, then exercise, and then you will, it's extract type based question, then you will write here like this, and this is your question and answer. And there is you can see here only I dropped the one line, and after finishing the answer of the first question, then I dropped here the two lines before starting the second question. Okay, like this. And now I started here this exercise B, means on the new piece. I know here the rest pages are left, but I wrote here the in the new page because it's look very beautiful. Now you can see here. Now next chapter, the poem is, you can see here, you can write like this the chapter name, or you can draw any picture like this. What you want, it's up to you. Again dictation and like this word meaning and question answers. Okay, you will drop one line, and your writing should be neat and clean. Okay, thank you students.